In Singapore, new homeowners are encouraged to knock on their front door thrice and then roll a pineapple while shouting huat, meaning good fortune. Where it stops is called the fortune spot. It might be worth asking your butler for a pineapple so you can bless your suite. Prepare a lime leaf garnish. Chill a double old-fashioned glass and put to one side. Remove the stem from the lime leaves, rip and add into a cocktail shaker. Lightly press to release their beautiful aromatics. Next, add Coco Lopez that is famed for its luxurious cream of coconut flavor. Lychee and pineapple bring a taste of the exotic to this drink. Fresh lime adds natural acidity and balance. Coco Canoe is made from the subtle blend of the finest white rum with natural coconut flavors. Kwai Fei is an elegant lychee liqueur. Koya Sake is made using locally grown Japonica rice from the Nara province that is smooth and easy drinking. Fill with cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the double old-fashioned glass. Fine strain. Position the lime leaves into the finished drink. Rinse equipment in replace. Present and serve.